Hello viewers, welcome to NodeJS tutorial. Today I will describe about MongoDB find query. MongoDB we use the find and find one method to find data in collection is the select statement in MySQL. The find one method return the first occurrence in the selection. The first parameter of find method is query object. Now we will show the example of find query as the DBO dot collection. Our collection is customers dot find one document. This is the empty parenthesis, and second parameter is function error result if error, then throw error, then console.log result.name, and another is console.log result dot another property name is address. Then close the DB. So now we will run the project for show the find record from customers collection. Node index.js. So here is the showing. Here is the showing is company Inc. and Highway Road 200. So our collection, our record retrieved from the customer collection by find one. Find one means is get first record or first document from the collection. So here is the result of collection document, result.name and result.address. That one collection is company Inc. and another is address highway. So this is our output of find one record. Thank you.